A blank answer sheet received 2 marks, not because the student answered anything. The strange part is that the teacher who gave those marks believed they were justified. The story goes that an Indian professor visiting Russia noticed something unusual. In that system, the highest possible score was 5. Yet, a student who submitted a completely blank paper received 2. The professor asked, "How can you give marks to somebody who wrote absolutely nothing?" The Russian educator smiled, and his answer changes the meaning of failure. He said, "Zero means non existence. If the student is standing in front of me, I cannot call him a zero." That sounds philosophical, but there is a deeper psychological idea hiding inside it. We often confuse performance with identity. A child fails a test, and suddenly the sentence becomes, "You are weak in studies." One result becomes a label. Then something dangerous can happen. The child may stop thinking I perform badly and start thinking I am bad at this. The difference matters because once a person treats a temporary outcome as part of their identity, failure becomes harder to challenge. And here is the part most teachers miss. The opposite is also dangerous. Telling a struggling child you are brilliant is not enough. If the evidence keeps contradicting the label, the child eventually stops believing it. So, the better response is neither empty praise nor humiliation. It is specific feedback. Not "you are a failure," not even "you are a genius," but "this part is wrong. This part improved. Now fix this one." You are separating the person from the performance. So the next time a student fails, change one sentence. Instead of "why did you fail?" say "what stopped you this time?" Then identify one concrete problem: knowledge, attention, practice, fear, time management, or misunderstanding, and give them one specific action for next attempt. Because the goal of assessment isn't merely to record where a child stands, it is to help them understand how to move. A mark should describe what a student did today, never decide who that student is allowed to become tomorrow.